sun on our skin, fire in our soul. Pacific hearts make the whole world glow. Bula malo, iakwe loud. Stand up strong, we make it proud. Different islands, same heartbeat. Ocean rhythm in our feet. We don't break, we don't fall. When one stands up, we stand tall. Across the waves, across the sea. Island roots run deep in me. We are one ocean family. Hands up high for unity. Melanesia, Polynesia, Micronesia, right? See the fire in our eyes. Let the world believe. Island love is all we need. No matter where the tide may roam, the Pacific will always be home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. From village drums to city streets, island vibe, you can't compete. Grandma prayers and warrior name. Ancient blood still runs the same. Even when we're far away, ocean wind still calls our name. Different flags, but one embrace. Island pride we can't replace. Feel that bass like ocean waves. Feel that strength our culture gave. From the past into today, Pacific spirit lead the way. We are one ocean family. Sing it loud for all to see. Melanesia, Polynesia, Micronesia, stand strong. Different islands, one island song. Hear the people cry. Pacific pride will never die. No matter how the world may change, our ocean bond remains cold. Through every storm, we still remain. Sunshine after every rain. Ancestors guide us from above, teaching us the power of love. From the smallest shore to the biggest